can get it on the first try this time. I'm going to draw a hole and split it into what? How much do I have? I'm going to draw a hole and split it into what?
1/4.
Fourths. Good. Now, how many of those fourths do I have? How many of those fourths do I have? Stephanie?
How many fourths?
It says I have what?
You have 1/4.
I have 1/4. So I'm going to draw my nice horizontal lines across that top fourth. Of this red fourth, I get how much of it? Of this red fourth, I get how much of it?
Bless you.
5 hands? 6 hands? Of this red fourth, I get how much of it? Ashani?
1.
How much of it do I want? 2/3. So if I want 2/3 of it, I've got to split the whole thing in, quiet, Kibibi? Thirds. Nice job. Take a look. Now, how many of those thirds am I going to color with my blue? How many of those thirds am I going to color with my blue? Candace? 2. Nice job. So this time I'm coming all the way across, not just one of my thirds, but 2 of them. Now let's look at that intersection. Most of your models are looking really good. So now how many pieces do I have? Quiet hand. Now how many pieces do I have? When I come back up and I'm shading in this intersection, how many of the pieces of the whole does it cover? How many of the pieces of the whole am I covering? David?
1/4.
Take a look. I've got all these pieces. How many pieces are covered?
2.
2 of them. 2 pieces are covered. Look at my numerators. 2 times 1 equals 2. But how many pieces has the whole been cut into? When I cut my fourths into thirds, now the whole has been cut into how many pieces? Ashley? 12. Nice job. And look at my denominators. 3 times 4 equals 12. Ooh, what do you see we can do this time that we haven't been able to do yet? If you can hear me, look up. I heard people say simplify, and then I heard them make their answer more specific by saying redo. Go ahead. All right, let's make it good. What goes into 2 that also goes into 12? We can use 2. Divide by 2 on top, divide by 2 on bottom. Quiet hand, what's 2/3 of 1/4? Say it if you know it. 1/6. Box it up. All right, on C, I want to try to pull back a little and have you make your model.